Alright, here's how to make some cookies. Melt 1 stick of butter into a half cup of white sugar and a half cup of brown sugar mixed together. Or only use all white granulated sugar to make sugar cookies. Crack 1 egg into it and mix it up. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to 1 teaspoon of hot water. Mix it up into a solution and add it to the dough and mix it in. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And mix it in very well. Then fold in a 1.5 cups of flour, all purpose. Keep mixing it in as you add it. And add 1/2 cup of chocolate morsels or chips. I like dark chocolate morsels, they're great. Make 10 or a dozen wads out of the dough and put them on a baking pan, kind of like this. Then stick them in a preheated oven to 325 degrees for 19 minutes. Alright, after they've baked for 19 minutes, they should pretty much look like that. Go ahead and pull them out, put them down somewhere where something hot can sit, and let them cool down. Once they've cooled, you can separate them using a spatula. Then you can use that spatula to carefully scrape them off of the baking pan and arrange them onto a plate. Here's a look at the sugar cookies before they go into the oven. Let the sugar cookies cool down. Put them all on the plate. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Good luck if you try to make some of your own, and I hope you enjoy them.